In today's video, I will walk you through how to create one-word captions in CapCut PC. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, open CapCut on your computer and access the project that contains the video you want to edit. Once your video is added to the timeline, move to the top menu area and click on Captions to open the caption tools available inside CapCut PC. After entering the Captions section, click on Auto Captions to begin the caption generation process. Next, select Generate Captions and allow CapCut to analyze the audio from your video. The software will now process the spoken content and automatically create captions based on the voice detected in the clip. Depending on the length of the video, this may take a short moment to finish. Once the captions appear on your timeline and in the preview window, continue by opening the Animation section. Inside Animation, click on Captions to view the available animation styles that can be applied to the generated text. Scroll through the available options until you find Bounce Out, then select it to apply the animation effect to your captions. After applying the animation, play the preview to check how the captions appear during video playback. You will now see the text animate directly on screen using the selected style. From here, continue to the text section so you can customize the appearance of the captions. Inside the text menu, click on Basic to open the text editing controls. In this area, you can change the font style by browsing through the available font options and selecting the one you want to use for your captions. You can also adjust the text size to make the captions larger or smaller depending on how you want them to appear on screen. In the same section, select a different text color from the available color choices if you want to change the look of the captions further. Continue adjusting the font style, text size, and color until the captions match the style you want for your video. As you make these changes, the preview window will update automatically, so you can monitor the results in real time. If needed, you can continue refining both the caption animation and text settings until everything looks the way you want.